Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a question about polygons. Before we start, you can like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Let's get started. If you want, you can find the correct answer and write it in the comment. Our question is about a regular hexagon and a regular quadrilateral, that is, a square. All interior angles of a regular hexagon are equal, and 120 degrees. All interior angles of a square are equal and 90 degrees. The angle in this corner is 120. The angle in between is 120 to 90 and 30. Now, let's look at the sides. All sides are equal in a hexagon. All sides are equal in a square. When we mark, we see that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Then two angles are equal. Since the sum of the interior angles of this triangle is 180, if we do the operation, the answer is 75. And we came to the last operation. The interior angle here is again 120. Then we solve the equation x and 75, which is 120. X equals 45 is obtained from here. I hope you understand the solution. You can write your topic requests and ideas in the comments. See you in the new video.